How to get $140 Grubhub promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you will find the search box. Type in Grubhub promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you working promo codes for Grubhub. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Los Angeles. After you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. You can see that 20% coupon code, $30 coupon code, $7 coupon code, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just go ahead and click on the option of view coupon. So here's the code. You can copy it, head towards the website of Grubhub, make your order, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. In the case you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of visit Grubhub. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Grubhub. Now you can browse through the menu, make your order, while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Grubhub. Well, this is how you can get up to $140 Grubhub promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.